Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So as I have told, we're going to discuss a simple and a easy method to remember all the vitamins. So before going to that part, what exactly vitamins? These are the micronutrients. Micro means a smaller quantity. These are required to our body in a smaller quantity for the metabolic process of a what we can say the macronutrients, and through which we're going to get a energy. Okay, so when I say vitamins, so here there are two types of vitamins. Okay, one is uh, fat soluble and one more is water soluble. We'll discuss one by one. One is fat soluble and the one is water soluble vitamins. What exactly fat soluble, water soluble? So there are some vitamins, the micronutrients, which are soluble only in a fat. Okay, where some vitamins are the water soluble. The best example we can say is the vitamin C, which we're going to call it as a ascorbic acid, where we're going to get especially in a citrus fruits. So it is not like that we're going to have only one citrus fruits throughout the year. No, repeatedly we're going to have, or throughout the month or throughout the like week. What happens, they are easily soluble. Okay, they are easily excreted through our urine. So repeatedly to have a benefit of this vitamin C, we repeatedly will going to have the citrus fruits. Why? Because they are water soluble, they can be easily excreted. Okay, whereas fat soluble are not like that. Okay, so this is basically fat soluble, water soluble. So this part we're going to discuss later. Now when I say fat soluble, there are four fat soluble vitamins we have. So here I am going to discuss in an easy way how you can remember. So vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D and vitamin A. So see here, vitamin K, E, D, A. So easy method of remembering is this KIDA. Okay, this is how you can remember K, E, D, A, KIDA. So this is vitamin easy way. So now how you can remember the scientific name? So here I am writing in a short way of scientific name. Okay, so here P T C R, P T C R. I am repeating vitamin KEDA, KEDA, KIDA. Okay, and its scientific name is PTCR. For K it is P, for E it is T, for D it is C, for A it is R. Okay, now what exactly this means we're going to discuss. So fat soluble vitamins, as I told, for KIDA. This is how you can remember KIDA, KEDA, and the scientific name includes PTCR. PTCR. So KEDA, KIDA, PTCR. So if you say twice, thrice, if you recall this, you can easily remember. Okay. So now comes what do you mean by PTCR. So this is very important for the exam point of view. So in our objective questions, we're going to get. Okay. P means phylloquinone. T means tocopherol. C means calciferol. R means retinol. So these are the scientific name for all these exams. This is very much required. Okay, I am repeating KIDA, PTCR. P means phylloquinone, T means tocopherol, C calciferol, R means retinol. So there are some hints I am going to give. When I say vitamin D, C, calci as the name itself in indicating. So it provides calcium to our body for the healthy bones. Okay. For the proper growth of a bones rich in calcium. So this is very much required, as the name itself is indicating, calciferol. So you might have observed for a 1-year baby, the doctor will prescribe vitamin D syrup drops. Okay, so that will going to provide the proper calcium required for the body of a small kid, for a baby. Okay, vitamin D. So when I say A, vitamin A or retinol, where you can see the word retina. So in our eyes, right? So retinol, it is required for the proper vision of our eye. Okay, so these two you can remember very easily. When it comes to vitamin K, that is phylloquinone, here you could see this is very much required for our the body in a functioning of a blood clotting. Okay, so it helps for the blood clotting and it acts as an antioxidant. Okay, so the functions also you have to remember. And when I say tocopherol, so it also acts as an antioxidant and it helps for the reproduction. It also acts as an antioxidant during a pregnancy. Okay, so for the reproduction purpose, it plays a very important role. Okay, and for a breastfeeding. Okay, so these all things. Okay, so these all things. So when I say calcium, so strong bones. So vitamin D will get from a sun directly. A morning sunlight is very rich in vitamin D. Okay, so when I say retinol, retina, for the proper vision of eye, very much required. Okay, so this is how you can remember. This is KIDA and PTCR. Phylloquinone, tocopherol, calciferol, retinol. So this is an easy way of remembering the fat soluble vitamins. So in our next